Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have another package from the Wool Warehouse. I knew that there was going to be another one coming, so I am excited. And you can maybe see that there's some Malibu A Go in there, which makes me happy. So here is the cute little project bag that they come in. And oh my goodness, the first thing I'm pulling out is this Malibu A Go Mecca. This is in the color Arapi, and look at how pretty that is. And this is their really kind of chunky yarn, and it is just gorgeous. I love the blues and the purples and the pinks, and just wanted to make sure those were the same tone. Aren't those, or colorway, aren't those beautiful? Oh my goodness. So again, this is Malibu A Go Mecca, and it's Arapi, and it is gorgeous. I'm not sure yet what this is going to be, but I do have a plan for it. Again, I don't know if you guys saw my last video regarding this, but I did make a plan for all the things that I was buying, so we shall see. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful color. And it is Topaz, and this is the Silky Merino from Malibu A Go. And it is, I think it's, gosh, I think this is one of their fingering weights. And it's 51% silk, 49% merino, and 150 yards. It's 50 grams. So it's kind of a half skein, actually, because most of the skeins I think are 100 grams. I didn't tell you what this one was, sorry. This is pure merino superwash wool, approximately 130 yards and 100 grams. So these are 50 grams, so that's why I bought 4, because it kind of makes 2 total skeins. And pure knitting heaven, it says. So it's 51% silk and 49% merino. I think I said that, but oh well. Malibu A Go Topaz, very pretty. And it's got a really nice shine to it, if you can see that from the silk. It's very nice. I love Malibu A Go, so I wanted to try a different base. And then I have this Drops Poona, and this is in the colorway, I don't know. I wonder, what did I do with the packaging? Oh, I threw it over here. Let's see here. It says I should have, it says Drops Merino, Drops Alpaca Off-White. And that isn't in here. There's a lot that's not in here, so I'm hoping that that's just delivered separately. Okay, let me just mark off what is in here. The Topaz is in here, and the English Rose is in here, and the Apiary is in here, and then the Poona in Violet. I should have 3 of these. Okay. So I still have a lot that's supposed to be coming. You can see some turquoise, some off-white, some deep pink, purple, coral, some silk. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. Oh, and it even says 2 of 2 here on the packaging, but okay, good. It says this order will be packed in 2 parcels, but I haven't gotten the first one yet, so that's interesting. So I guess I'll still be doing another package of, or another unboxing. So this is Violet, and it is Drops Poona, 50 grams, and it is color 12. Use a size 4mm needle, 50 grams, 120 yards. So that's a lot. And it's 100% alpaca, and it's very soft. So that's nice. I don't remember exactly what I have in mind for that, but there's something good coming. And then you guys know that I love, love, love the Malibu A Go Rios, and this is in the color English Rose, and it is 210 yards of superwash, and it is a worsting weight. It says to use 6 to 8 in US size. I don't know what that equates to. So this is a like worsted weight yarn, and it is super soft and super fun to work with. It's a little bit stretchy, which I just love the twist on this. I just love this wool. It's so nice to use. And I bought a sweaters quantity, and I have a sweater picked out, and I think it's going to be my Christmas Eve cast on or Christmas cast on or whatever. I have not done that yet, but I know that there's others that have, and I thought, ooh, that sounds so pretty. And it took, I think, 1,000 yards, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, that would make sense for my sweater. So I went ahead and got the sweater's quantity. So I have that, and I have this beautiful Malibu A Go and this beautiful Malibu A Go, and then I also got this Poona, and then there is more coming. Ooh, that looks pretty together. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I want to be able to see that English Rose too. There you go. So shop at the Wool Warehouse. I think that they do a fabulous job. If you spend enough, they will give you free shipping, but even without free shipping, I don't believe it was that much, and it came from the UK, and it took less than a week to get here. So pretty cool. I am excited. I think that this is just gorgeous, and I cannot wait to get this stuff on my needles. I got to finish what I'm doing. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.